Amazon is opening its first fresh grocery store. Speaking of nature, we talked about this before. This was happening very soon, but now it's open. It's in the Los Angeles area. They invited select customers. Imagine you were one of those. They're like, we want you to be a select customer. Sounds so exciting to come in and experience their new full all-out store experience. And what it is you've got the Amazon Dash cart. You can skip the checkout line. You have Alexa features in there. It's the futuristic shopping experience that you're looking for. You can also get same-day delivery from the store or pickup same day as well. You know, in these new times, Will, with the lockdowns and the whatnot, all of these technologies are becoming increasingly important because the limited number of interactions you have with people limits the potential for the spread of all your, all the stuff that you're made of. And all the stuff living in your body and all the stuff not living in your body that you're spewing everywhere.
Yeah.
You understand what I'm talking about. So anyways, this you go in here, you got the Dash cart, and you're paying for the things right within the cart, and you leave, and it's no interaction, and you've got all Amazon intelligence in there. And it could be the beginning of the future. This is in Los Angeles, as I mentioned, but there are plans to open more of them soon in Illinois, Oaklawn, Schaumburg, and Naperville, as well as in Irvine and North Hollywood, California. They didn't specify when those would open. The current store, if you want to go check it out in LA, is open from 7 a.m. to 10 p.m. Go and check the tech and let me know how it goes.